Yeah. Good evening, good evening, my people. Good evening, my lovely people. You guys know this is our time, you understand? I come on this particular live video quite late, but it's because of one thing or the other. So you guys love us, you understand? So now like this, today is Wednesday, and we are going to do a technical analysis, just as the topic implies. You understand? Technical analysis breakdown, you understand, on all the three pairs that we will normally do. You understand? XAUSD, which is good, GPUSD, and EURUSD. Then I'll be waiting for you guys to drop your own favorite pair, you understand, on the comment section. You should drop your own pair on the comment section. I'm going to like reply to it, and we'll all see it together, and I'll analyze it for you. So on our screen, like everything is set, you understand? Everything is set. My screen is ready and everything is ready, you understand? So we are just going to like dive into the analysis real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. We are going to dive into the analysis real quick. So please, please, and please, either you are watching live or you are watching after the live video, either you are like rewatching the live video, don't forget to like drop a comment anywhere you get confused. You understand? So I see remain your guy Benv VFX, you understand? The master of bullish and bearish engulfing candle, the master of engulfing candle, you understand? Why am I even saying this? Am I not? So when it comes to bearish or bullish engulfing candle, I study that one to the core. You understand? I know how it work. You understand? Especially on the 15-minute time frame, I know how it work. So that one just the you get that one is just purely my my strategy. So there is no any question you ask me concerning bullish engulfing candle that I will not answer you. That's just the plain truth. No questions, no question at all. You ask me from bullish or bearish engulfing candle that I cannot answer you. So now like this, the chart is ready. All you need to do now is to drop your questions on the comment section. You understand? Then we'll dive into the analysis. But before then, let me start doing the analysis. You understand? I'll start from XAUSD, then go to JPUSD, from JPUSD, then go to Euro USD. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Yep, that is exactly what I'm going to do. Why? I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. I don't know why is it like this. Let me see. Is there anything that I do, that I do? Is there any setting? Hmm? Is there any setting? Let me see. This is exactly what I want now. To feed the screen, yeah, so that you guys will see me very well and yup. So and see the analysis. So this is my screen here. This is my screen here. My screen is ready. Just ask your question. Oh, I don't dey get comments already. Oh, taste of mystery. So how did I hide my comment? Okay, this is it now. My comment is showing here. Like I've been hide my comment. I cannot see the comment. I just dey see comment inside the video, but I cannot see it outside. Abeg, what is this? What is this, man? Hold on first. My people is here. There's some mystery. Just checking in. Being very busy. Okay. You're welcome, my brother. You're welcome. You're welcome. You really try. You really try. You really try. So I'm a Arazad. I'm a Arazad. You're welcome. You're welcome. UD. Oh my God. You are here already. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. So just as I said, we'll do a technical analysis today, like this evening, before we like take a trade together during London section tomorrow. And all I'm praying for, my prayer is let NEPA just dey bam. If NEPA dey, you guys are going to see how I use my strategy to take a trade. Either he hit SLO or he hit take profit o, anyone, you guys are going to see it, you understand? But since this particular week, I've not like the loss that I have is not much, you understand? Like it's like this particular week will be the best week since like ever for me, you understand? Because the way market is going in my favor, even with the manipulation on gold and the rest, I still end up today gold in profit. You understand? GBP I end it in profit. Like the three trade that I take today, all of them is in profit. You understand? I think I show you guys during that particular New York section. But regardless, we are going to take a trade together tomorrow. Let it not be as if I keep preaching about this particular strategy and there is no evidence. I want to like show you guys the evidence. Although I have tried this particular showing this evidence and the two trade I will take that particular time did not go well, but this particular time I come with full energy regardless of how the charts of and how the market look like this period because of the festive season and the rest. I'm going to show you guys, prove to you guys that their particular strategy work every particular time. You understand? Any condition, no matter the condition of the market, that particular strategy come out, make me come out profitably every week. You understand? So let me share my screen so that we'll dive into the technical analysis. You understand? Because technical analysis, if you understand how technical analysis work, nothing is going to hurt you. You understand? Then the only thing you need to work on, if you understand how to analyze the market technically, you understand, use all your like sense, analyze the market. That's why they call it technique. When you use technique, analyze something, then the remaining thing for you now is for you to be like disciplined enough to wait for your strategy because you have technically analyzed the market. You understand? I don't know if you guys are getting me, but if you are getting me, once you analyze it, once you know about technical analysis, means you have beat the game. You understand? The only thing you'll be playing for is for you to be patient enough and be disciplined to wait for your strategy to play out. You understand? That's the only thing you'll be playing for. If you get the technical analysis, if you know how to do your technical analysis right, and that is the reason why I'm here almost every day. You understand? Almost every day for you guys now I'll be here. You understand? But so I don't care, I don't mind, regardless, I'll just keep showing up for you guys. You understand? So if you have any question, how na engulfing king, UD, you're welcome my brother, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. So that's how it's going to be. You understand? Just as the name implied, Benv, master of 15 minutes engulfing candlestick. You get? Benv, master of 15 minutes engulfing candlestick. I master that particular one. When it comes to engulfing candlestick, I master it. I know where to set my SL. I know where to put my take profit. I know how to manage my trade and the rest. That is the reason why I can be able and boldly come on live video here and tell you guys that yes, we are going to use this particular strategy to take a trade together tomorrow during London section. You understand? The one that we were supposed to take together today during New Year section, go disrespect that bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame. You understand? So we could not be able to like would not get as this thing the candlestick that we are looking for do not play out. So you guys see how everything go. Since just that's how I be. You understand? Once the candlestick I'm looking for do not play out, or did not show, there's nothing will push me to enter that particular trade. I'll wait and be patient until that particular candlestick played out, like work out, it will form and close healthy. You understand? Before I enter that particular trade. That is the reason why I can be able to get all the profit that I get yesterday on XAUSD. You understand? So XAUSD is a pair. Let me tell you guys the truth. XAUSD as of 2023 2020 as of 2023, because 2024 throughout I had not traded XAUSD. 2023 XAUSD show me pepper. You understand? It show me pepper because I think I can make it very fast from XAUSD, but it's not like that. You understand? It doesn't work that way. You have to understand how it works before it starts generating money for you. You understand? So let me share my screen real quick with anybody who is active. You understand? Then let me know your favorite pair so that I'll do analysis on that too. You understand? You guys know I come on this particular live section late, but regardless, you are going to do the necessary thing. So drop your favorite pair on the comment section while I'm analyzing the three favorite pair, our three favorite pair, which is XAUSD, DPUSD and Euro USD. You understand? So I'll be waiting for your reply on the comment section. So let me dive into this particular XAUSD analysis. You understand? Because what XAUSD do today, I need to like analyze it very, very well, because if like I'm going to take a trade with XAUSD tomorrow, that one is sure. I'll wait and be patient for XAUSD to play it out tomorrow. And if I'm sensing that particular setup on XAUSD, bam, I'll come on live video. You understand? I will come regardless of the time that the market that the strategy trying to play it out. You understand? I will come on live video and take that particular trade live. That is just it. But expect me to come on live video during London section tomorrow. You understand? Expect me to come on live video during London section tomorrow. We'll do that live video from that kind around maybe from either 8 or 9 to 10, 11. Then if there is no setup then we'll come back during New York section. You understand? Because I don't want to like take any time off now like this. There is no time. You understand? 2026 is around the corner. So a lot of people, a lot of us want to like get our things like our strategy right, like exactly what we need to do right first. You understand? Before the 2026, we will not wait until 2026 reach before we like start planning or start learning a new skill. No, we are on it regardless of the time. You understand? Regardless of the time. So this is it here. I'm not going to send this particular bearish engulfing candle. You understand? Do you know why? Because this is not where I want the engulfing candle to form. You understand? Although the market will like close bearish, 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 like the next three candlestick will close bearish. You understand? Just like as this one is as this one open like this. Mm. Okay, let me delete everything, then I'll start afresh. Okay, as this one open like this, it will close. This is how it work. As this one open like this, it will close bearish. Then another one open again. Another one open again, it will close bearish. You understand? After this particular two or three bearish candle, before you see a like a bullish candle. You understand? Another one open again and give a bearish candle. This is how it work. You understand? Then after this particular bearish candle, like 2 to 3 bearish candle, then you see that the market will come give either bullish engulfing candle or a bullish candle, but not engulf. That means the market will not go far. You understand? And even this part, we'll see this particular candlestick when I say we should prepare for Ose around this particular area. Adibin will around this particular area. Let me mark it up. Around this particular area, Adibin will see this particular candlestick from here like this. We will just enter for a sale and we'll make a lot of money from even if it's just a short move, we'll make a lot of money from inside. But you guys should watch out next year. You understand? Watch out next year. The reason why I don't want to take any time off in this year is because if there is like I want to be like very, very serious and know how everything is this particular year. You understand? I want to be very, very serious and know how everything works this particular year before 2026, because that 2026 I'm not going to take it like is either I become a profitable trader, like not even is either I become a profitable trader. I'm a profitable trader already, but I'm going to take risk more than this particular year. You understand? So next year I must get a withdrawal. You understand? I must achieve something from trading that I will see that yes, the VFS achieve this particular thing from trading. That next year, 2026, you understand? You know, be like it's not as if I'm making mouth, you understand? It's because of how far I've like studied the market reach. At least I've given myself enough time to study the market. Anything can happen, you understand? I might even end next year in loss, you understand? Because this is a game of probability, you understand? You don't know what will really happen, but the level I understand the strategy reach, the level I understand how the market work reach, I promise myself that next year I'm going to achieve something from the market. That one is truly, you understand. So let's dive into the main analysis, you understand. So if you come on your charts during midweek like this, I will not advise you to go to weekly time frame. All you need to do is to go to your daily time frame, you understand. Let me delete all these particular ones, you understand. All you need to do is to go to your daily time frame. If you go to your daily time frame, just mark the high and low of today candlestick. You understand? And if it is tomorrow that you come on your chart, just mark the high and low of that of last yesterday candlestick. You understand? So this is the high and low of today candlestick. Then if you mark the high and low of today candlestick, all you need to do is to go to 4 hour time frame and see how market reacts at this particular area. You understand? So this is exactly how the market reacts. And what exactly do you see? The market has been giving us bullish engulfing candle, bullish engulfing candle, bullish engulfing candle. You understand? On the 4 hour time frame. You get? But what exactly are you seeing? What exactly are you seeing? Why anytime the market come to this particular resistance level, then it will just give a pin bar and go to the downside? Why anytime? What exactly is in this particular area that always try to send the market to the downside? Nobody knows, you understand. But regardless, we are seeing this type of bullish engulfing candle, bullish engulfing candle, bullish engulfing candle. So our prediction tomorrow is that the market is going to end close bullish, because today candlestick in less than 2 hour 4 minutes now, today candlestick will close, and I'm expecting it to close bullish. And if the candlestick close bullish means next tomorrow candlestick will close bullish, you understand, means this particular resistance level is going to be broken tomorrow. But where exactly are you going to position to take a buy from tomorrow? um Where exactly are you going to position to take a buy from tomorrow? So we are going to the lower time frame to mark a support and resistance level out, because the market, anything that will make the market come below this particular bullish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame means the market will like go down, you understand, to maybe this particular area, you understand. So we will still go down to the lower time frame, because if I'm making this type of analysis, I'll use all the knowledge that I have in the market to analyze the charts, you understand. So if anything happen and the market go below this particular black candle tomorrow, black line tomorrow, means the market is going to this particular support level before we even see any retracement to the upside, you understand. And if the market push to this particular black line, you understand, means the market have formed an M pattern, and whenever you see an M pattern on the chart, means the market is going to the downside. So we'll be like watching closely to see how the market is going to behave tomorrow, you understand. So I'm going to the lower time frame now to see if we see any particular, maybe on the 1 hour time frame, if we see any particular major support level on the 1 hour time frame, understand. And if there is no any major support level on the 1 hour time frame, then we'll be expecting tomorrow candlestick to like close bearish, you understand. Because these days, the way the market is, there is no way you can predict the market, you understand. If not, this is we are the one, like we are expecting that. What exactly are we seeing from this particular area during that New Year session? Me, for my mind, I don't know that the market will like climb this particular bearish engulfing candle. But what do you see? The market go and close healthy bullish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame, you understand. So as I see this particular candlestick, it will be very hard for the market to come below this particular candlestick. And if eventually the market come below this particular candlestick, means it's going to go even below this particular support level. So let me go to 1 hour time frame and see what is happening on the 1 hour time frame, you understand. So let's see what's happening on the 1 hour time frame. I don't know if I get any message. Okay, there's no message yet. There's no any message yet. So let me see. This is exactly what I'm saying. So as I'm analyzing this particular chart, If there is anywhere you are confused, just please don't hesitate to ask me question, because I'm here for you guys to be asking me question, then I'll be answering you guys. You understand? That's the reason why I'm here live. If not, I will just make analysis and post. But I'm like here for you guys to ask me question. Okay, this particular thing that you said, or even if you cannot like explain it, you even if you cannot write everything complete on the comment section, just let me know so that I'll bring you up, then you ask your question face to face. You see me, I'll see you, other viewers will be seeing you, then you ask your question face to face, then I'll answer you. You understand? That's exactly how it's going to be. This particular year is for you guys who are my lovers, you understand, who I prioritize very, very well. You understand? Anything that concerns the growth of this particular channel, anything that concerns the growth of you guys is my number one priority. You understand? So just let me know. If you have a question and you cannot like explain everything on the comment section, let me know so that I will send you an invite link. Then you come on the live video and you ask me face to face and I'll answer you. You understand? So please don't hesitate to do that. I'm here for you. You get? I'm here for you. Don't hesitate to do that. So what I'm explaining on this particular XAUSD is, we will look for a support level before, like a support level that is close to this particular black candle. You understand? Because this is the low of today candlestick. This is the low of today candlestick. So where again is the next support level close to this particular low? This is the next support level. You understand? And moreover, the market have tapped on this particular support level and tried to move up. But regardless, let's see how it's going to be. But what I'm seeing is the market give leave a gap here that it refused to fill when the market is going to the upside. And whenever I see this type of thing, regardless of the support level that I see, it doesn't move me until this particular type of fair value gap is filled. You understand? We'll have a fair value gap here. Do you get? We'll have a fair value gap here. Let me call it FVG. Let me add test. Understand? Let me add test. FVG. We have an FVG here. You understand? We have an FVG here. Let me tap on this particular FVG and make it enlarge a bit. It cannot be enlarged. It cannot be enlarged, but maybe you guys can see it very well. So there is an FVG here. Let me shift it. Okay, there is no way I can shift it except if I maybe reduce this particular. Okay, yes. So if you look closely, there is an FVG here. Let me carry this arrow and be putting it. There is an FVG here, fair value gap here. You understand? So what I'll be doing is a normal, not festive season, and for expect a breakdown to this particular fair value gap before the market will like do anything from here. You understand? But this is the low of today candlestick. This is the low of today candlestick, and apart from this particular clean fair value gap, there is no any other clean fair value gap again. You understand? From here down to this particular area. You understand? But regardless, we are going to like, before I come on that particular live section tomorrow, I'll get myself prepared, because I will not like it if I'll come on live video and take it through with you guys, then you guys will end up losing. You understand? So I'll be very, very ready for the market. But regardless how you ready, there's no way you can control the market. But I just pray, I'll put it in prayer so that tomorrow will favor us, just as yesterday favor me and today favor me. You understand? So there is a support level here. You understand? There is a support level here. We'll be looking out for to buy from this particular support level when we'll see a clean setup tomorrow. You understand? This particular area, we'll be looking out for a buy here when we'll see a clean setup tomorrow. And if the market break below this particular area, then we'll like look for a buy for this particular fair value gap to the upside. tomorrow. This is exactly what I'm looking out for on XAUSD. I don't know if you guys understand it very, very well. You understand? So if you look closely here, there's a fair value gap. Let me still repeat. There's a fair value gap here. You understand? And there's a support level here. There is support level. The market have tapped on this particular support level, but if if tomorrow candlestick will close bullish, then the market will just go up a bit, come to this particular support level again, tap on it, then we'll see a clean setup. You understand, from this particular area we'll see a clean setup. Maybe let me mark a trend line. Me and this market here, me and trading this year to next year. Omo, na only God go separate our fight o. It's only God that will separate me and trading fight from this particular year till next year. Understand? Because I'm not going to give any chance. You understand? So we'll be expecting a bounce back. You understand? From this particular area tomorrow, either from this 90 tomorrow, we'll be expecting a bounce back from here. Maybe it will go then bounce on this particular area. Out of this particular area, then we'll see something like this. It will break, then retest it, then come to this particular fair value gap. You understand? This is what exactly we are going to see tomorrow. You understand? But regardless, let's see how it's going to be. Maybe the market will bounce on this particular support level. Then we'll ride it up, but your stop loss will be below this particular support level. The market might come and spike down to like create a stop everybody out, everybody that will buy from this particular place out. But regardless, your stop loss, let your stop loss be around this particular area and your target 1 to 2. You understand? Target 1 to 2. Then if the market break below this particular support level, then your setup, your strategy, then your setup will be like, then you enter for a short. Then you enter for a short, something like this. Let me not mix them together. Something like this to this particular fair value gap here. Then your stop loss will be above this particular area as well. You understand? This is about 1 to 4. You understand? This is how it's going to play out tomorrow. Before from today till tomorrow, this is exactly how it's going to play out, and we will be live during London section tomorrow, ready for this particular XAUSD. Except if there is no setup on it. You understand? So this is exactly what I'll be expecting on XAUSD. You understand? From today till tomorrow. So I don't know if you guys are getting me. Please, if you are getting me, let me see a reaction from you. If you are understanding what I'm teaching, please let me see a reaction from you real quick, please. If you are understanding what I'm saying, let me see a reaction, please. Let me see those that is active. If you are understanding what I'm saying, let me see a reaction from you. I don't mind if it is just one person that is on the live, you understand? But if you are understanding, I don't want to be talking, then the person that is doing it is not understanding what I'm saying. No, let me see. UD. Oh my God. Thank you so much. You are understanding. Thank you. If I even have only yourself, it's okay for me. So since you are understanding what I'm saying, then I'm I'm going forward. Let me go to GAPUSD now. You understand? I'm going to GAPUSD to analyze GAPUSD. So you guys should come on this particular live stream tomorrow so that we'll do something crazy together. You understand? This is the prediction that I give since how many days? Which day said that I give this prediction, and which day? Let me count the. Okay, it's day before yesterday. Day before yesterday. That should be Monday. That should be Monday or Sunday. Either Sunday or Monday that I gave this particular signal. You understand? It's either Monday or It's either Sunday or Monday that I'll give this particular signal, and this is where the market tap us in. Let me see. Okay, this is where the market tap us in, and this is where it hits take profit. Unfortunately, me, I don't hold trade for long like that, but I make profit from GBP USD. That is the only thing you guys need to know. Share you guys know that I take out this particular position around this particular area. You understand? I take out my position around this particular area during that live section, you understand, today, and as I take out the position, see how far the market go. But me, I no dey regret any particular thing that happen in the market, you understand, because I'm not greedy. All I'm looking for, let me not just end that particular trading lost. That is just it. Once I not end it in lost, I'm good. Even if I get $1 from the trade and the market later give $1,000, it no really concern me, you understand. All I am looking for is just the little win, compounding of little win. If I show you my last 4 months history now, you see that I'm up about $2,000 in profit, you understand, with that particular profit. Just that the only thing that is making me that is still restricting me is because I've been playing with that particular profit before. You understand? Till somebody tell me that instead of playing with 25K account, why not just play? Why won't you just be playing with that 10K and take your 25K serious? Because 25K, like I'm just doing that thing that time randomly. So that person just pick talk brain to my head. You understand? Speak the truth. So I just take, by then it remains small for me to, like, it remain like that kind $200 for me to lose that particular 25K account. So I keep growing it gradually. Now like this, I think it's up about 24,000, almost 24,200, less than $800 now for me to like take it to 25K. Once I take it to 25K, my 10K is intact. You understand? My 10K is still intact. And there is a trade I take on my 10K today. Oh, I forget to check. I took a trade on my 10K today and I forget to check. Make a Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I took a trade on my 10K account today. Which pair? Jesus. I took a trade on my 10K account today. Jesus! Ah! I took a trade and I forget. Abeg, who is online? Who is online with me? I took a trade on my 10K account and I forget. Who is online? So that I'll share this thing with you. Jesus! I took a trade on my 10K. Abeg, see, UD, see. You see that time that Jesus, it's only God that saved me. It's only God that saved this particular account today. Oh. Let me, UD, please see. I took a trade with my 10K account. See where the market go. Immediately it hit me out. Then it started reversing back down. If not because I'm doing this particular how did this go? See where it hit me out. See where it hit my take profit. Immediately it hit take profit and it started going to the downside. God is very, very wonderful. Jesus. Like, immediately it hit me out. Immediately it hit my take profit. It not even go anywhere. It not pass that particular area. It's only God that push it. Kai, Jesus, Omo. Okay, let me go to maybe 1 minute time frame. Either it will go maybe Jesus. See 1 minute time frame. Immediately the market hit me out, like it hit my take profit. It started reversing to the downside. It started oh should have two accounts. Jesus, no wonder sometimes I go enter swing trade on this particular account and I will forget until maybe anytime I log in, then I will come see either minus this. I will come say, where did I take trade with this account? Jesus Christ, it's only God that save me. If not, the market for are they being dem manipulate the market not reach that particular area. E for just come down like Jesus. See how much I generate. See how much. I even enter with just 0 point because how much I want to lose that particular time. I think I risk $17 ba. I risk $17. This is how much I generate. This is how much I generate. 57 dollars. Okay, 17 divided by 57. That is how much. How many how many risks to reward be that? Omo. Jesus, Jesus. 57 divided by, okay, 17 divided by 57. 17 divided by 57. 57 divided by 17. 57 divided by 17. 1 to 3 RR. 1 to 3.3 RR. I took a trade and I forget that I took a trade. If not because I come on this particular live section today, and so this 10K account don too suffer for my hand. E don too Jesus, e don too suffer, e don too suffer. Oh boy. If not because I just mention 10K account, I for no even remember say I took a trade with it. Imagine if I'm over risking and the trade go against me. Omo. Oh boy, it's only God that save me. Jesus. Wow. Now see, sometimes I will just enter swing trade in that particular 10K account. Then anytime I say because I dey not like, sometimes I will just take trade so that the account will not, they will not deactivate the account. Sometimes I will just see one setup like that and I will just enter, then log out, then come the my 25K account. You understand? Then I will just forget that I take a trade with that account. Then maybe if I log in, I will see minus. Maybe the trade will don hit my SL for over how many days now and I will not know. Sometimes it will hit take profit, just like this one that I take on GBP USD today. GBP USD just go and tap me out. You understand? Just hit take profit and just started reversing to the downside. Oh, God is wonderful. God is wonderful. If I get my own personal money, you just if I get my own enough money, you just say I no go dey use one dey take swing trade. Dey use one dey take normal this thing, how is it called, scalping and dey trading. $57 just clean and clear. $57 clean. 1 to 3.3 clean and clear. Oh wow, I love it. 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 See, next year, oh my goodness. Next year, oh my goodness. So this is it here. This is exactly what I'm saying on GBP. So let's do our technical analysis of GBP now like this. Let's do our, okay, this is where the market, this is where I said, okay, no wonder. That is the reason why he stopped me out and he started reversing to the downside. This is where I put my take profit. You understand? Before this resistance level, I put my take profit before this particular resistance level. And the market go to the resistance level. This is where I put my take profit below that resistance level, and the market go to that resistance level and started reversing to the downside. Oh, that's the reason why he hit me out and started going to the downside. Nice one. Okay. So then I'm going to like clean everything now. You understand? I'm going to like clean everything. Then we'll do a clean analysis. You understand? Then we'll do a clean analysis. I can still bring it back. But let me clean it. Okay, this is it. Then first of all, we'll go to daily time frame. Let's see how today candlestick close. Shey you see the confusion now? Shey you see confusion? You see confusion, right? Okay. This is bullish engulfing candle. This is bullish engulfing candle. As it is now like this, if not because the market is on this particular resistance level, I for say, but regardless, I'm still going to do an analysis. I don't really send this particular thing that the market is doing because my strategy, I use 15-minute time frame to confirm my strategy. And if I look very well, I analyze the market clean and clear, there is no way I'm going to chop SL. Like the worst thing that will happen is just then is break even, and before it will even come on break even, we go don take partial profit then, except anybody who wants to be greedy and don't want to take partial profit. That's the only that's where the problem will dey, you understand. So now this is how, just as you can see, this is how today candlestick close. You understand? This is how today candlestick close. E close below this particular bullish engulfing candle. The market no have direction these days, although we can see that the market is going to the like is doing lower higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You understand? Then but regardless, for both swing traders and the traders and scalpers, is not favoring anybody. You understand? It's not favoring anybody except people that use that kind except people that use a weekly time frame to take their trade. And even if you are using weekly time frame to take your trade, tell me if you are in a profit, if your trade is in a profit the way the market is doing like this, there is no any much like impulsive move. You understand? This particular weekly time frame is remain 2 days now, 2 days, 2 hours for this particular two candlestick to close, but anything can still happen sha within that 2 days. Tomorrow and next tomorrow, anything can still happen. But regardless, the market is just somehow, you understand, but e no dey hold us. You get right? E no dey hold us. Just if you want to make profit, just stay around. You understand? E no dey hold us. E no dey hold me. That is just it. So I have seen, like, let me mark out the high and low. I'm just marking this thing out because the market can disrespect it anytime that it wants. You understand? I'm just marking it out because of how I normally do it. You understand? When the market is well, okay. Okay, then I'll go to 4 hour time frame. Mhm. Then I'll go to 4 hour time frame. Okay, let me see if there is any. Then I'll go to 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, what exactly are you seeing? The market take this particular impulsive move to the downside yesterday. Abi? Yeah, it take this particular impulsive move to the downside very, very early. You understand? Very early before London section, from night here sef. From night that kind, before immediately the market open, e take this aggressive move to the downside. You understand? But e like around this particular this support level, this is the support level that hold it back. This is the support level. This particular support level from back here is the one that hold it back. It tap on this particular support level, this zone, then it started going to the upside. Then what exactly you see that the market come and do around this particular area? There is a fair value gap between this particular there is a fair value gap here. You understand? There is a fair value gap. So the market come and tap on this particular fair value gap. So what exactly are we going to do tomorrow? What exactly are we going to do tomorrow? Okay, let's say this is the resistance level. You understand? Let's say this is the resistance level where the market is trying to respect. Then it give this particular bearish engulfing candle. Then when it's taking the impulsive move to the downside, it leave a fair value gap. That's the fair value. Let's say it went up to fill the fair value gap, but regardless, we are still going to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what that particular 1 hour time frame is doing. You understand? So this is exactly what 1 hour time frame is doing. So regardless, any particular movement you see tomorrow, the market will not go up in a way that it can be able to break above this particular resistance level. You understand? Yes, when worst come to worst tomorrow, this is where we will see that the market will reach. um when worst come to worst tomorrow, this is where the market will reach before it will break to the downside. There is a fair value gap here. This is where the market will, as the market have trying to move from this particular area, it will move slow and steady, slow and steady, slow and steady. Maybe when the new candlestick open, it will create a wick and tap on this particular fair value gap, then it will continue its movement to the downside. You understand? But the market is like unpredictable. You understand? There is no way you can predict it, because it's only when you come to your chart and you see what your this thing favorite strategy is doing, that you follow the trend. Like me now, if I come to the chart and I see that yes, where the market is now is on a support level, and I'm seeing bullish engulfing candle more than bearish engulfing candle, then I'll be targeting a sell, a buy. You understand? And if the market go to the upside around that particular resistance level, and I'm seeing a bearish engulfing candle more than bullish engulfing candle, then I'll consider a sell. So this is exactly what I mean by when you are seeing a bearish engulfing candle more than a bullish engulfing candle. As you can see here, the market give this bearish engulfing candle, give this particular hammer, again. You understand? Then when the market consolidate, come to this particular area, it give this particular bearish engulfing candle. You understand? So all you need to do is to enter from this particular area, then put your stop loss above this particular resistance level, because anything that will make the market climb above this particular resistance level, it will go up. You understand? So that's how it works. So all we need to do is wait patiently for the market to reach this particular resistance level, or I should take, don't worry, wait patiently for the market to like reach this particular fair value gap tomorrow. Let it feed this particular fair value gap. It will just be going up like this. I'm not going to clean this particular thing. It will just be going up like this, go like this, go like this, like who dey sick. You understand? It will come to this particular fair value gap before you see a break to the downside. And this is it here. This is exactly what we are going to see tomorrow. But all you need to do is to pull your stop loss, give a breathing space. So at least give a breathing space. There is no any fair value gap above this particular resistance level. So all you need to do is give a little breathing space. This is it here, at least 30 pip. You understand? 30 pip like this, then you target the next support level. That would be like 1 to 3.2. You understand? This is exactly how it's going to play out tomorrow. You understand? GBP this is exactly how GBP is going to play out tomorrow. Except if you see a breakout of this particular support level, then we'll wait for a retest. Then with bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame, then we'll follow it to the upside. If not until then, this is where I'm expecting the market to like break down to. But regardless, I'm coming on a live video with you guys tomorrow morning during London section, so that we'll do it, so that we'll take a trade together. That's just it. That's just the promise. You understand? That's just the promise. So if you have any question, just let me know. I've analyzed XAUSD, I've analyzed GAPUSD, you understand? Then let me check Euro USD, because I don't think I take trade on Euro USD, or did I take trade on Euro USD today? I don't know, but let me check Euro USD. If you have any question, please, if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. UD, I don't know if you are understanding the analysis I'm doing. I don't know if you are understanding the analysis. I don't know if you guys are understanding the analysis. The reason why I'm mentioning the UD is because it's the only one that is like responding since, you understand. So maybe other people want to keep Silent. Okay, yes, I understand. All right, that's very great, my brother. That's very great. So that's exactly what I'm expecting on. This is exactly what I'm expecting on GPUSD tomorrow. You understand? The market to manage, reach this particular fair value gap, then it will break to the downside. That's exactly what I'm expecting. You understand? So let me go to Euro USD. After I analyze Euro USD, if you have any question, please drop it on the comment section. And if you don't understand what I'm saying, please ask a question. Please ask a question. Ask a question so that I will make it clear for you. So let me check Euro USD. Let me check Euro USD. Oh my goodness. When did I put this particular buy order? When did I put this particular? Okay, it's in the money. It's in the money. It's in the money. Let me check if I take a trade on Euro USD today. It's around money time. Let me check if I take a trade on Euro USD today on my 25K, because I know I've not take a trade on Euro USD on my 10K. I took a trade on Euro USD in the morning. No wonder. No wonder. This is it here. This is it. I made about $29.6. You understand? This is it. Let me show you guys. I made about $29.6. I don't even know that I take a trade with it. I made about $29.6 from the trade. I don't even know that I take a trade with this thing. That's the first trade that I take today. Check up Euro USD. But I'm sure you can see Euro USD. See the amount that I make. $29. You understand, from Euro USD. I don't even know that I took a trade on Euro USD today. I don't even know. I don't know until I see this particular thing. Mm. I don't know until I see this particular thing. So this is it here. That day that I do analysis on Sunday, I've been like, for my mind, I think market will come to this particular support level before it will move to the upside. But unfortunately, the market did not come to that support level. But today, immediately I come on my chart during London section, I see that market is on this particular support level. This is it here. This is it here. Okay, that is the time. Oh, that is the time I make that particular video that I suppose come on live video with you guys, but my platform reach this so. Oh, that is the time. That is the time that I made this particular that I take this particular trade. So this is it here. I took the trade from here. Immediately I see that the market come to this particular support level. This particular, let me mark it out both now so that you guys will see. Immediately I see that the market is on this particular support level. I took a trade. But let me tell you guys, so I know they take my trade just because the market is on the support level. So I need to show you guys what I see before I take that particular trade. You understand? I need to show you guys what I see before I take that particular trade. So this is it here. I don't take my trade just because the market is on a support level or is on. That is the reason why I will not take that particular gold trade. You understand? If you look closely, if you look closely before I take this particular buy, see this particular candlestick. You guys should tell me which type of candlestick is this? What's the name of this particular candlestick from that particular support level? What's the name of this particular candlestick? Let me know. Let me know. If you are not seeing it clear, let me delete this particular horizontal line. What's the name of this particular candlestick, please? Let me know, please, real quick. Let me know, please, and please let me know. What's the name of that particular candlestick? Before I take that buy, that particular candlestick that I mark with arrow, bullish engulfing. Thank you so much. That is exactly what I see. You understand? That is exactly what I see before I took that particular buy. You understand, ba? This is the exact candlestick that I see from that particular support level before I took the buy. Do you even see where I took that particular buy? That is exactly I took the buy close to extreme end of this particular bullish engulfing candle. Understand? Because the way I believe on bullish engulfing candle, the way I study it reach makes me believe, give 100%, like 100% believe on it. You understand? So I immediately I see this particular bullish engulfing candle and it's healthy. You understand? It's healthy. That's the reason why I enter from the next candlestick, regardless of how the market is going to the downside on that particular candlestick. I still enter. You understand? So I enter it, and what do you see? The market close bearish, and the next one that got so kind, the next one that open close engulf again. You understand? The next one that open close engulf again. Immediately e close engulf, e went up, this one close bearish. Then e went all the way to this particular area, to my entry point, before e went all the trade that I take on this thing, euro USD. So you guys should just stay tuned tomorrow during London section. Maybe in the morning I'm not a day active like that, but regardless of my mode, I don't mind showing you guys any type of mode that I dey. You understand? I don't even mind streaming every day, every time. You understand? I don't mind streaming every time. So you guys should just be ready before 8 o'clock, or maybe immediately after 8 o'clock, or maybe immediately 8 o'clock tomorrow. I'll be live. Then we'll be waiting for our strategy to play out. Then we'll take that particular trade. Did I shift it down? No, I don't want that particular. I don't want that kind of thing. Okay, this is it here. So I took the market out, and this is it here. The market reached this particular fair value gap and started going to the downside. It reached this particular fair value gap and started going to the downside. So let's see how tomorrow is going to be. See what I'm seeing this particular week is like, let me not too like be overconfident, because overconfidence dey like make person take an unnecessary trade. But I don't think I'm going to do that, because of how disciplined I am. You understand? I don't think I'm going to, like, because of overconfidence, then I'll go and take unnecessary trade or go and over risk. No. But you guys should be prepared. If we get an opportunity tomorrow, we'll take a trade together and you guys will see. But I just want you guys to like understand something. You see this, you guys that are not many on my live section, please and please, okay, Festus, please and please take bullish engulfing candle very serious. You understand? Maybe if people come dey plenty, I will not talk about that particular thing o. You guys that see that, even if I don't have view, you guys will always stay by my side. You guys should take bullish engulfing candle very very serious. Make sure you study it to the level that, and even if you are studying it and it's giving you stop loss, reach out to me so that we'll do it together. You understand? Reach out to me. This particular thing, people will not be talking about it. You understand? But the sky, you understand, is enough, is wide enough. The market is wide enough for all of us to make money from one particular strategy. Regardless, even if the market like let it be hitting us out, we'll still modernize and re-strategize and be following it. You understand? You guys that is my family. There is nothing I'm going to hide from you guys. And especially there is, but it depends on where it's appear, bro. What exactly am I telling you? Is like it, you cannot take it. That is the reason why I say, if you are using it and it's giving you SL, reach out to me, then we'll do it together. I will show you just the way I keep showing you guys where I've been taking my trade from. You understand? Okay, do you see me take a trade from the middle of the road? No. I'd not take any of my trade from the middle of from the middle of nowhere. You understand? I took all my trade from a support level. a support level where I see that yes, the market have a high chance of moving to the upside. That is where I took my trade from. You understand ba? So bullish engulfing candle, and that is the reason this your now this thing that you drop now is the reason why I'm going to say this particular thing. Every strategy, no matter how fancy it look, no matter how well it look, no matter how well the owner of that particular strategy said it, there is a psychology behind it. There is a way that particular person go about that particular strategy, but you will not know. You understand? So that is the reason why I said, if you are using this particular bullish engulfing candlestick strategy and it's giving you stop loss, reach out to me. You understand? Then I will guide you on what to do. People who don't take my live session serious, they are the one that I just dey pity for them. You understand? Because although many are called but few are choosing, that is just the name of this game. And these people that will just come and go, come and go, come and go, they have never one day sit down and ask themselves, this journey that I start, and it's only 1% out of 100% that make it to the profitable phase. How can I be among those 1% that make it to the profitable phase? You understand? People that sit down and ask themselves that question is not much. You understand? But so don't be surprised that you are seeing people in and out, in and out. It's not everybody that is serious. Some people are just in the industry to provide liquidity for the market to move. You understand? Some people are just in this particular industry to waste all the money that they have been saving for their whole life. You understand? To waste it for to the market. You understand? And then go with empty handed. You understand? And some people are here, keep their heads down and want to learn how the market work. So we have different type with different categories of people in this particular phase, in this particular industry. You understand? That is the reason why you are seeing people will come, they will go, they will come, they will go, because they don't know the kind of value that is in this particular channel. They don't know the kind of value that is here. They are looking for where thousands of people are watching that particular person. You understand? And the person is not responding to comments. That is exactly where they are looking for. That is exactly what they are looking for. They are looking for oyibo. You understand? All these oyibo that will be like doing exactly what they want, and they will not be minding their this thing, minding their comment and the rest. That is exactly those they are pursuing. You understand? They are pursuing those that is showing the lifestyle, not those that is showing the strategy that will make them profitable in the game. You understand? A game that somebody start over how many years ago, and the person just come on live video because he have the audience to make money from YouTube. All he cares about is how to make double his money. You understand? It's not like the person is not there to give you the knowledge that you want. Even if you are confused and you ask a question, the person will not even answer you. Ask question from today till tomorrow, that person will not answer you. All he's focus on is showing what is on his screen, showing exactly what he like, show exactly what he wants to show, and at the end of the day he just end the live stream like that. Tomorrow he will still come on that particular live stream again, and you guys and people will still go full. You understand? What exactly? Okay, would you just sit down one day and ask yourself, okay, this particular channel that I joined yesterday, this particular live session that I joined yesterday, what exactly did I learn from that particular person? No, you will not sit down one day and ask yourself that question. That is the reason why I say many are called but few are choosing. Thousands and millions of people are joining into this trooping in into this particular journey, but it's only 1% of that particular millions of people that join that make it to the profitable phase. Not that they cannot be able to do it, but because they don't have the right mindset, They don't know where to have to get that mindset from. Even if you that have the mindset is teaching them, they want you to park your Lamborghini. You understand? Do you think if I park my Lamborghini behind me like this, I'll be teaching, I will have your chance teaching you? If I park my Lamborghini behind me like this, I'll not even care about you, because I will know that yes, you must see me. You understand? You must see exactly what I'm doing. People will know like value where they will be getting value from. They will like they are pursuing all these flashy things on this particular internet. You understand? But time will come, you guys will remember that there is somebody called Benv FX that is teaching the real thing. That is the brand I want to build. Time will come that you guys will like remember that there's somebody called Benv FX that is always telling us about this particular thing one after the other, breaking it down, doing analysis, taking trade with us. You understand? Responding to our questions. Time will come that people will remember me for that. You understand? So I'm not going to go more go above this particular one that I just said. So this is it. Let me see what first to say, but it depends on where it appeared, bro. Yeah, that's very correct. Then let me see. I understand you, bro, but all these newbies would think if bullish engulfing candle appear, they will sell or buy. That's why I say that. And that is the reason why I'm always here. You understand? That's the reason why I'm always here, to be taking questions from you guys. You understand? That's the reason why I'm always here. Anywhere you are confused in this particular space, in this particular thing that I'm teaching you, just ask a question. You understand? That's the reason why I'm always here. You understand? So if you even check, mm, if you check, if not like normal video generate revenue more than live video, except if they gift you like all these super things and the rest. You understand? Except if they gift you, but I don't mind. You understand? I don't mind, if not because of my brother that even helped me to like subscribe this particular platform that I'm using. I always subscribe this platform. You understand? I always subscribe this platform, and YouTube have not paid me 1 naira yet, because I've never reached that particular requirement. Understand? I've reached all the monetization criteria, but I've never reached the requirement to like make withdrawal. I never even reach anywhere. You understand? So if not because of my brother that helped me to like subscribe this particular platform, you guys for not even see me. You understand? On the live video here. But I just he just made it happen for all of us. You understand? He made it happen for all of us. So that's just it. So let me go to which one? To provide liquidity. That's true, bro. That's very true, and it's true. You understand? Some people are just in this particular space to provide liquidity for the market to move. That's just it. You understand? Some people are in this particular space to provide liquidity. So it's like, is there any question? Please, if you have any question, just let me know. If you have any question, just let me know. Let me know real quick, so that if there is no question, then we'll call it a day. Then till we meet during London section tomorrow from 8 to 9. You guys will see me on the London during London section. So you will need to like subscribe and turn on the bell notification, so that if I come on the live section, you'll be notified. That's the only thing that will make you, so that you'll be like, so that you'll be active. Then you see how we are going to take the trade together. See how I use that particular strategy. You understand? I want to take a trade with you guys, so that you see how I use the strategy live and direct. You understand? I don't mind if the market is going to give us Excel or take profit, but I'll make sure the strategy give me 100% assurance, if either 80% or 100% assurance that yes, it played out clean and clear, then we'll enter for a buy or for a sell. You understand? Tomorrow I'm going to do that tomorrow. So if you have a question, let me know real quick so that I'll just talk about that. You understand? Because we are going to like take a trade tomorrow, together tomorrow. So please don't miss it. Don't miss it so that you see how everything is going to be. So I think we'll just be discussing till maybe the next 5 minutes. If there is no any question, then we'll call it a day. Then till we meet tomorrow. I think that's exactly what was going to happen. Understand? That's exactly what was going to happen. That is exactly what's going to happen. I'll be expecting a question from you guys. I'll be expecting a question from you guys. Then join me live tomorrow when we'll take a this thing trade together. I'm going to take a trade with you guys live tomorrow during London section. You understand? I'm going to take a trade live with you guys tomorrow. All you need to do is to just subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified when I come on live video during London section tomorrow to take a trade with you guys. All is well, no question from me. Thanks, my VFX. Until tomorrow. All right, thank you so much, Yudi. Thank you. All right now, all right. Look at NZD JPY, please. Okay, that's real quick. Let me do that. Let me do that. Real quick. Maybe before that next 5 minutes will be through with that. We remain 4 minutes now. Okay, let me do that real quick. Okay, you say NZD was safe. NZD JPY. Okay, this is it. I think we'll analyze NZD JPY in the afternoon. I think we'll okay. Oh, the market refused to come to this particular support, inner support level before it's moving to the upside. But let me see. Let me see. How did I take analyze this particular pair? Because the market break above this particular resistance level. Let me see. Okay, we are going to do a a new top down analysis. So we are going to do a new top down analysis. Now like this. We are going to do a new top down analysis. But if you look closely, the strategy still work out here. If you look closely, the market break above this particular resistance level. The market break above this particular resistance level. Immediately break above the resistance level, it come down here, you understand? Then there is a bullish engulfing candle. There's a bullish engulfing candle before the market move all the way to this particular area. But before the real move happen, see the bullish engulfing candle that make the market go all the way to this particular area. You understand? So that 15-minute bullish engulfing candle, no matter your strategy, no matter how your strategy look like, make sure you like add that particular bullish engulfing candle to your strategy. I don't know how you are going to do it, but it will be very good. Let me start the analysis afresh. Let me see how today candlestick close. Market these days is unpredictable. Okay. Yes. I remember how I do the analysis now. I think I do the analysis from the daily time frame. If you can remember, I said the market moved from this particular support level and I'm expecting the market to close engulf. You understand? Then that particular let me go back. This particular analysis that I do, let me tell you how I come up with this particular all this drawing. Okay, I say the market move from this particular support level. This is the major support level that the market move from. So let me go to daily time frame so that you see it very clear. Let me go to daily time frame so that you see it very, very clear, because I can remember now how I take do the analysis. I can remember how I take do the analysis now like this. So this is it. This particular prediction is for tomorrow prediction, because that time that I'm doing this particular analysis is during New Year section. Okay, now I say the market move from this particular support level, and I'm expecting the market to close bullish engulf. And if the market close bullish engulf, you go down to your 4 hour time frame and you look for inner support level. You understand? And this is, let me let it load. Hope network is not disturbing. Okay, let me see. I just came back now. My network was bad. Okay, so no problem. Let me see. Yes, you did. All right, that's very great. That's very great. While looking at it, please show me how you mark your support and resistance level. Don't worry, I'll show you. I'll show you that. Just be active. I'll show you. So now, all this particular drawing, I do it from during New Year section, because the way the market is moving to the down to the upside, I say the market is going to close bullish engulf. You understand? Okay, now I mark this particular support level from on the daily time frame. You understand? So because of the question that Festus asked, let me show him how I mark my support and resistance level. So I'll be like explaining it. My network, is it network issue or what? Okay, I'll be explaining it now like this so that you understand. I'll be explaining it now so that you understand. On the daily time frame, immediately I'm seeing this particular push to the upside. See, if you look closely, this is a support level. You understand? This is a support level. If you look closely, the market consolidate around this particular area before the market take off to this particular area. You understand? So the market, the consolidation around this particular area make it a support level. You understand? If a market consolidate and move to the upside, that particular area that it consolidate automatically turn to a support level. So that this particular area is a support level. So as the market is coming down and tap on this particular area, you will be expecting the market to respect it. You understand? Because the market work from support to resistance, resistance to support, support to resistance, resistance to support. You understand? So as the market come to this particular support level, it respects the support level and give this particular bullish candle. The market, that particular period that we are analyzing this particular chart, is around 2 to 3 p.m. You understand? So I say, because of the impulsive move that I'm seeing, the aggressive move that I'm seeing, the market is today candlestick is going to close engulf. And when it engulf this particular candlestick, all we need to do is to like wait, go to the 4 hour time frame and look for inner support level. You understand? Okay, then where is the inner support level now like this? If you look closely, where is the inner support level on the 4 hour time frame? As the market move from this particular major support level, where is the inner support level? This is the inner support level. You understand? Let me carry this arrow so that you'll be seeing it very clear. This is the inner support level. You understand? This is the inner support level. Come, like, even if it will not come and close on resistance level is breaking to the upside, is automatically turned to a support level, now the market will close bullish engulf. It engulf that yesterday candlestick, but this, you understand, this support level is where we will be buying from tomorrow, you understand ba. So you just be waiting for the market to come to this particular inner support level tomorrow, maybe on the lower time frame, like that kind 15 minute time frame. Just wait for the market to take an aggressive move to this particular area, this particular inner support level. Then you just wait for a bullish engulfing candle on the 15 minute time frame. When you see a bullish engulfing candle on the 15 minute time frame, all you need to do, or a bullish engulfing candle on the So everything I've been saying since, you guys are not hearing me and nobody tell me. Oh my God. Who is still active? Who is still active? Who is still active? Network. Network will not kill me. 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 So all this thing, like everything I've been narrating since, I have data. I have data. I don't know where this particular network issue come from. You understand? I do everything possible. I do everything. I have to like flight mode my phone, bring it back, remove the cord, connect it back. Do car. Both on my MTN and my Airtel, I have data in all of them. You understand? I don't know where this particular network issue is coming from. Nobody call me. And sim card sef that they suppose use call me through, where go dey interact with my dis thing. I remove it from here, put inside this particular phone, put it on put it on dis thing silent. I don't know where the network issue is still coming from. I don't know where it's still coming from. But sha, so I don't know who is active. I don't know who is active, but I think we'll call it a day so that we'll prepare for tomorrow. If you're active, please let me see, let me see, let me see. Let it not be as if it's only UD that is active. Oh. Let it not be okay, 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 okay. So if you're active, please let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see your reaction. Then please, I beg. I don't know why if I finish live stream, then I'll see 1 like, 2 likes. I like that thing. They make me feel as if you guys are not getting value from the live stream. I don't know why. You understand? Maybe you guys will forget to like before. You understand? I don't know. Maybe you guys will forget to like the video before you go. That is just the thing. I don't know. But please let me know those that is active. Let me know those that is active. And first tools, I don't know if you understand how I mark that particular support and resistance level. If you are active, I don't know if you understand how I mark that particular support and resistance level. If you're active, just let me know. Just let me know. First tools, okay, Ade bro. Okay, that's very great. That's very great. Thank you. Do you understand how I mark that particular support and resistance level? If you understand, just let me know that you understand. Then again, don't miss that particular tomorrow London section live video, because we like as we'll be waiting for our setup, I'll be like breaking everything down while the market is playing perfectly well, bro. Okay, that's very great. That's very great. That's very great. So UD, I don't know if you are still active. UD, I don't know if you are active. UD, I don't know if you are active. So Festus, please, just I was on today New York session. Yeah, I think I say yeah, I think I remember. So just try and participate tomorrow London section so that we'll see how it will be. You understand? So that we'll see how it will be. By God grace, you are going to like do something meaningful, like something will come out of that particular London section live stream. You understand? So I don't know if UD is active, but I would like to like call off the live stream now. I would like to like live stream now. So I think I see you guys tomorrow by 8 a.m. either 8 or 9, 8 or 9, 8:30 or 9. Just the only thing is just subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified if I come on live video. That's just the only thing you need to do. You understand? That's just the only thing, because I don't know when I'll be live. Then again, I'll pray so that there will be NEPA. You understand? I'll pray so that I'll be NEPA. All right, bro. Until tomorrow morning. That's very great. That's very great. So see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night rest and a lovely and a sweet dream. So bye. Those bye for now. 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 Network is trying to like spoil everything for us, but God pass devil, sha. God pass devil. That's just the thing. So see you guys tomorrow. Love you all.